Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how I painted this beautiful colorful night with its reflection step by step. This is my first watercolor painting video and I'm going to show you the very basic watercolor painting skill. First, let's fix the paper on the table by using the tape. Because later we're going to use a lot of water with the colors to place on this paper, and the paper will get very wrinkled if you don't fix it good with your tape. Now we sketch some basic lines to indicate different color edges for this painting. So the basic composition of this painting is that on the top is the sky, which is colorful and gradient, and then in the middle is the forest, and then on the bottom is the reflection of the sky. Now I start adding colors. From very top is the black. Because this is the first layer, when it's getting dried and the color will get a little bit fade. So the watercolor painting is like you add colors one time and another time and until you feel satisfied with the color saturation. So at this point, we just add the basic color in for the first layer. Below the black. As you can see, the overlap area is going to change to the darker violet. So this is one way we make gradient with watercolor. Another way is that you use only one pure color and add water on the edge of the color to make it lighter and lighter and until it's all fade out. I use a wide area of red. The top will be overlapped with the violet and the bottom of the red will be overlapped with yellow. So the area that overlapping with yellow will change to be orange. The same process for the reflection. The painting is all dried, we add more color and refine the gradient. You can do this process again and again. But there's one thing you should pay attention, which is if your paper rises up a lot after you add a lot of water and color, you should stop and waiting it's getting dried and then to continue, or your paper will get damaged. Now I use black and brown to paint the bank. Here I paint the yellow a little bit down because the light will see through the branches of the trees. to show you the very very basic ways to do the watercolor splash on the paintings. In this case, the splash will be used for my stars in the sky. First, I prepare this titanium white acrylic color with some water, and I use a very short but hard hair brush. Use my finger to bend the hair over to my painting and do the splash. Second way is I use this watercolor brush and heat it with a pen. Of course, you can use your brush and paint, directly draw your stars on this painting as well. Here are some shooting stars. The background color is dried. We use some green and black color to draw the trees. The pine trees are in a basic shape, so you just need to paint the main branches and the shape, make it shape and with some free strokes. Just do it casually. I do my trees differently. Some of them are bigger, some of them are smaller. Now let me show you the third way to do the splash. I use an old toothbrush, dip it into the mixture of titanium white and water, and then use my finger to bend it over to my painting. So far, I can tell this painting is done, but I want to try something new and interesting. After the painting is completely dried, let's remove the tapes carefully. This painting, Colorful Night, is done. I hope you like it and enjoy the watercolor painting. In the future, I'm going to do more watercolor videos for beginners. If you like my watercolor videos, please follow me with my Instagram and subscribe with my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.